Did you know the used cooking oil from your local restaurant could be the answer to reducing greenhouse gas emissions from the heavy vehicles on our roads? It's possible now. Cleanaway is one of the first in Australia to use renewable diesel to demonstrate how we can all benefit from this low-carbon, circular fossil fuel replacement. So, how does it work? Our trucks collect used cooking oil from commercial kitchens, restaurants and shopping centres. The oil we collect goes through a refining process to be turned into Neste My Renewable Diesel, also known as HVO 100 hydrotreated vegetable oil. Neste My Renewable Diesel is made from 100% renewable material, like used cooking oil, helping enable a circular solution with up to 90% less greenhouse gas emissions than fossil diesel. Heavy vehicles transporting waste, food, products and other freight services contribute to Australia's greenhouse gas emissions. We're putting renewable diesel in selected Cleanaway trucks to demonstrate how effective this fuel can be for reducing emissions from heavy vehicles in Australia. Renewable diesel also supports our customers to reduce their Scope 3 emissions generated through waste and recycling services. As business leaders, Cleanaway needs to be at the forefront of reducing emissions, to meet our national targets, to progress new technology, and to meet the expectations of the community. Using waste as a resource to create high circular, low carbon solutions is how we are making a sustainable future possible together.